Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Yeah. So in this period, we will be, this period is devoted for your activity. How many of you have started doing it? Are you ready? Do you know, all know what you have to do in this period?
No, sir.
You don't know?
Sir, no, sir.
Beta, this is road safety week going on. So there was an activity posted in your groups. Okay, so let me share some photos with you all. You have to make uh, something similar to these photographs. You have to make a poster or a rangoli or something else, or maybe a drawing kind of thing, or you can write a slogan on a poster. Okay, uh, all will be based on road safety. Okay, so something related to road safety you have to make. It could be a poster, it could be a rangoli, it could be a slogan. Okay, it could be a drawing. Okay, so let me share some pictures. You will get an idea what you have to do in this. So I have shared some pictures in the group. You can take help from these pictures and make something similar to this. Okay, right now you have to do it and you have to submit it in the end of the period. Okay, so this message was posted yesterday in the evening. You all were told about this. Understood, all of you, what you have to do? It is a very important activity. You all
We
have
are
to do.
doing,
Huh?
sir, what we are doing?
Wait. This is an activity. In this activity, you have to make something related to road safety week campaign. Okay, something related to road safety week campaign.
Sir, we have to make all.
Anything, any one thing.
Okay, sir.
It could be a poster. I'm giving you some choices. It could be a poster. It could be a drawing related to. I have shared something related to this in the group also. It could be a rangoli. Or it could be a slogan. Okay, very well made slogan. If it is a slogan of your own, it will be even better. Or it could be a video. You can also record a video and send it on the group. Got it? What do you have to do?
Yes, sir.
So these are your options. Any one option you can choose and start doing it right now. And you have to submit it after the period. Submit it in your groups. Okay. You all have to do it. It is very, very important to do.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Start making any of these things, and it will be better if you keep your videos on and show me what you are doing. Where is Shubham Pratap Singh? Again, he marked himself present on WhatsApp and he's not there in the group, in the meeting. Others, you also give your attendance on the group, on the WhatsApp group. Mark yourself present on WhatsApp groups.
सर
Yes.
सर सर मैं अपना
Yes.
कैमरा बंद कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि सर जब मैं कैमरा अपना ओपन करता हूँ तो सर मैं ऑटोमेटिकली मीटिंग से बाहर हो
ठीक है
जाता
बेटा,
हूँ
you can switch off your camera.
सर सुबह सुबह अक्सर दिक्कत
ठीक है बेटा, कर लो, बंद कर.
सर
So I have shared some examples in the group. Have you all seen these examples which I have shared on the group? You can choose any one of these or something similar. It will be even better if you think something out of box. Okay. कुछ अपना कुछ नया सोच करके कुछ rules आप लिख सकते हैं. You can make a poster writing the rules which one should follow while moving on the road, while driving or while walking on the road. किस तरीके से रोड पर वॉक करना चाहिए उसके रूल्स आप लिख सकते हैं. ड्राइव करते समय कौन सी चीजों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. आप चाहें तो रूल्स लिख सकते हैं, बट इट शुड लुक गुड, ओके, एंड देखने में थोड़ा अट्रैक्टिव लगना चाहिए। एंड रेड लाइट पर कौन कौन से रूल्स को फॉलो करना चाहिए ये भी आप लिख सकते हैं। कैसे कार चलाते समय स्पीड को कितना रखना चाहिए, स्पीड कैसी होनी चाहिए हमारी, तेज चलना चाहिए या हल्के चलना चाहिए, हाईवेज पर कैसे ड्राइव करना चाहिए, ये सारी चीजें यू कैन गिव योर सजेशंस, और यू कैन गिव अ स्लोगन, ओके, स्लोगन भी आप बना सकते हैं कुछ related to all these things, okay. Or some examples are there on WhatsApp group also. I have shared some examples. And if you are making a poster, don't forget to make a border in that poster. Okay. The border makes a poster look good. If you are writing a slogan, I can give you an example of a slogan. The slogan can start with like this: road safety rules. Alert today, alive tomorrow. Alert today, alive tomorrow. So this is a good slogan, and you should also mention that what is this slogan about. So at the top, you can write road safety rules. Follow road safety rules. Follow road safety rules. Full stop. Alert today, alive tomorrow. So this could be an example. Like this, if you can think of something on your own, it will be very good. We can even record a video, make a small video, 45 seconds video, speaking something about road safety rules. That will be the best. I hope you all are doing it. Can you just give me an idea who's making what? Vanshika beta, what are you doing?
Sir, I am making two persons on bike. My main motive is to display that wear helmet. Helmet is important while
Okay,
driving.
very good, very nice. And Adya, what are you doing? Dhruv Bhojwani, what are you doing? Dhruv, Dhruv Bhojwani, beta, what are you making? ध्रुव कुमार, इतने अच्छे अच्छे बच्चे हैं क्लास में, बताइए बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया सा बन के आना चाहिए इस क्लास में से, तो सारी चीजें। ध्रुव कुमार बेटा, क्या बना रहे हो?
सर मैं पोस्टर बना रहा हूँ।
ओके, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस, बढ़िया। फाजिल, व्हाट आर यू मेकिंग?
यस सर।
व्हाट आर यू मेकिंग?
सर मैं भी एक पोस्टर बना रहा हूँ सर, आप देखिएगा सर, बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा आपको।
ओके, वेरी नाइस, मैं वेट करूंगा। उजैर, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
Sir, I am making a poster on which, sir, I will write a slogan.
ओके, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। नैतिक, नैतिक बेटा, व्हाट आर यू मेकिंग?
I am making a poster.
You are also making a poster, very good, very nice. Anvi, Anvi, you are making a poster, drawing, rangoli, slogan, or video. What are you making? Your voice is not clear. Your voice is not coming, beta. Okay, you do it, continue doing. Okay, I'm not able to hear what you are saying. If you do it. Okay, okay, do it, very good.
Sir, I have made.
You have made it? Dhruv Bhojwani. Beta, you can post it on the group. Send a picture on the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Dhruv, beta, send it one picture of the poster that you have made, and in the other picture you send it holding it in your hand. Okay.
Sir, I have posted on the group.
Beta, you should make it on an art paper, not like this on the copy. Make it on an art sheet. Okay. And make it a little colorful. Okay, Dhruv. Make it a little more colorful and send it again. Okay. Make it on an art sheet. Okay, all of you listen, the meeting is about to end and you all have to post it. As soon as you are done with it, you can post it in the group. I will be seeing it, okay? If the meeting ends, don't leave your work, complete it and then post it in the group.